We are here at MOCA, the Museum of Contemporary Art in Virginia Beach, to install an environmental work that will be exhibited. April Taylor Martin, our supervisor, was contacted by them and asked if we could contribute and make an installation work that would match or go with the Maya Lin exhibition that was being put up. And we eagerly jumped for the opportunity. We really wanted to get involved.
We're focusing on the environmental issues here at the Tidewater region and how we can affect how the viewers think about what's going on here.
We are sort of representing just damage to the earth and how human influence has done damage, and the strength of Mother Earth sort of trying to bring herself back together despite human influence. We have our basic structure of the wood pieces overlapping that sort of represent a frame of Mother Earth, and then we have different elements like earth, water, and air. And the different interruptions that occur, like our air bottles are in varying values to represent pollution, and our water is made out of plastic for pollution. And the earth portion of our sculpture is actually modeled after the Japanese art of kintsugi, where pottery is broken and brought back together again to make something that's more beautiful. So that's representative of earth breaking and then coming back together.
This is an absolutely wonderful opportunity for students to find out the rigor that it takes, the planning that it takes, the research that it takes.
There was a lot of trial and error. We sort of pulled together and came up with a ton of different ideas. And then we all sat down and examined each of those ideas, and if it is on theme with Maya Lin's work, and if it was something that we could actually get done.
But overall, it's a really amazing project that we've been working on, and we're all super excited and happy that it's finally coming together, and we're just overjoyed.
When you're an art teacher, you have students in a classroom and you can teach them how to draw, you can teach them how to create a sculpture, but you really need to expose students to the many artists that have been recognized as accomplished in these wonderful museums, so they can get out of their smaller world and they can become part of a bigger world, and then they can grow toward them, or even sometimes away from them. But either way, they're going to grow as artists.
I don't even know the words. Like, you're at your core, it feels like home. And you're working with people who are like you, who have the right mindset, who are just creative as you, or excited to do this project. It's amazing.